2025 is just around the corner, and the world of investing is on the edge of massive change. The stock market, which has been a source of wealth, volatility, and uncertainty for decades, is entering a new era. But what will actually happen to the stock market in 2025? Will it soar to new heights or plummet into another crash? In this video, we'll dive deep into the factors that will shape the stock market in the coming years, explore expert predictions, and look at what investors should expect. Grab your seat, and let's take a look at the future. Number 1, the current economic landscape and what's driving the market. Before we jump into what might happen in 2025, let's first understand the current economic landscape. We're witnessing a global recovery post-COVID, but inflation, labor shortages, and government stimulus packages are all playing their part in how the markets behave today. At the same time, interest rates and global trade issues are causing ripples across industries. Key points: post-COVID recovery and its impact on industries, the role of stimulus packages and government interventions, inflation and the Fed's interest rate decisions, shifts in global trade relations and their market influence. With the economy still bouncing back, do you think the stock market can stabilize in 2025, or will we see more turbulence ahead? Number 2, technological innovation and the future of stock trading. Now, let's talk about the big disruptors. In 2025, we can expect technology to continue playing a huge role in shaping the stock market. With advancements in artificial intelligence, blockchain, and automated trading, the stock market might look completely different. New tech stocks are already emerging, and those who position themselves right could stand a profit. Key points: the rise of AI and machine learning in stock trading, blockchain technology, and how it could change the way stocks are traded, robo-advisors and automated trading platforms, new tech stocks and sectors to watch in 2025. How do you think these technologies will reshape the way we invest? Will they make the stock market more accessible or more volatile? Number 3, environmental, social, and governance (ESG) factors. In recent years, ESG investing has exploded in popularity, and by 2025, it's predicted to dominate the market. Companies that prioritize environmental sustainability, social responsibility, and corporate governance will likely attract more investors. But with this rise, are we also going to see a pushback from investors who feel this movement is just a passing trend? Key points: the rise of ESG investing, how sustainable and green stocks could outperform traditional ones, the shift toward companies with strong social values, ethical investing and its effect on market trends. Do you think ESG will continue to shape the market, or will investors eventually move back toward profit-first models? Number 4, global political and economic factors. In addition to internal factors, we must consider the global stage. With changing political landscapes, trade wars, and economic instability, how will these affect stock market performance in 2025? A U.S. election cycle, major policy shifts, and tensions in global markets could all play key roles in determining whether the stock market thrives or struggles. Key points: the impact of the 2024 U.S. election on market sentiment, the China-U.S. trade relations and their potential impact on stocks, global recessions, and the ripple effect on the stock market. How political instability in major markets can create opportunities or risks. What role do you think political uncertainty will play in shaping the stock market in 2025? Will it make investors more cautious, or will they seize new opportunities? Number 5, the rise of alternative investments. As the stock market continues to evolve, there will be a surge in alternative investments. Cryptocurrencies, real estate, and commodities like gold and silver are all gaining attention. But will these alternatives help diversify portfolios, or will they face the same volatility we see in the stock market? Key points: the cryptocurrency boom and its impact on traditional investing, the future of real estate investments and the shifting housing market, commodities such as precious metals and their hedge against inflation, diversification and alternative investment strategies for 2025. Do you see cryptocurrencies or other alternative assets becoming a bigger part of your investment strategy in 2025? As we look ahead to 2025, one thing is certain. The stock market will continue to evolve, presenting new opportunities, challenges, and risks. The key to success will be understanding these shifts and positioning ourselves accordingly. What do you think will happen to the stock market in 2025? Will it soar or crash? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And remember, staying informed is the first step toward financial success. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more investment insights. Thanks for watching Investosphere. Until next time, stay smart, stay invested,